Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smashed his freak. Damn. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel today. You know what I'm saying? We got another video for you. And no, this is not a part of the Impala project, you know what I'm saying? We got my brother over here, you know what I'm saying, today.
Part of my project.
And we got the what's this again? The Buick Lucerne. Lucerne. Yes, sir. And we got some more of these LED headlights, the actual bulbs. So we finna replace his headlight bulbs on this boy today real quick. And you know what I'm saying, put these what they Mars Auto LED lights in there. You know what I'm saying? Get in there. Get in there. To change these bulbs is actually way more difficult than mine. You actually got to take the bumper off a little bit to get to it, but we finna bang this shit out real quick. Pop these clips out that's over here. Then you got two bolts, one that's right here and then one that's like right here. Pop them out and you should be able to pull your bumper out a little bit more. So we got the new, we got the old headlight out. You know what I'm saying? Got the old headlight out of there. Now we got the LED joint right here with the bulb grease inside. You know. Shit, in that bitch.
Oh, it's in there?
Yeah, hit the shit real quick. And just make them bitches turn on. So we just installed the first one in right now. We're gonna see what it's looking like. Oh! Way brighter already, as you can tell.
Oh shit!
So you can literally get a before and after.
Yes, sir.
So we got the LEDs on the right and the yellow lights on the left. So we got one more to go, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
One more to go. Alright, now we gotta move to this side now. Alright, you can turn it off now.
Yes, sir.
We got them in there now. You officially been pimped, my nigga. Yes, sir. That's how it's looking right there.
Yes, sir.
I'm just about to show him what it's looking like, bro. How you feel about the lights?
Pretty good, pretty good. Not too bad.
Yes, sir. Got the nephews in the back.
Not too bad.
What's up, big head?
I'm making a video.
Alright, let me see what they looking like. Alright, so there they go right there, man. You know what I'm saying? Looking real good, looking real nice with the LEDs, you know. It look good, do look good. You gotta clean them boys, but it do look good though.
Definitely.
Way better.
Way better.
Way better than the yellow shit.
Yes, sir.
That's how it's looking, man, you know what I'm saying? We out here, y'all know what's going on, man. We gotta keep doing these car projects and shit, you know what I'm saying? I ain't talking about shit for real, but I'm just trying to get these last minutes because this video was kind of short, you know what I'm saying? But go ahead, hit the like button right now, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. You know what I'm saying? This the video, you know what I'm saying? My bro got the LEDs on there. Say what up, boy. Say hey. Say hi. Yes, sir. That's my nephew right there. Big head. My other nephew over here.
Come on.
Yep.
Come on.
That boy look nice though. Now we just gotta figure out how to get this thing, get this shit off of there.
Oh, yeah.
That's it, y'all.
Hell yeah.
We took some feast on that bit. Ooh. Crazy.
Definitely going for what? Hell yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, I do too. With my shit. This boy got the windshield wipers on in the car. Look at this.
No.
He think he on GTA. Dude, you on GTA? That shit hit. Say something to the video, Drew. Just like that, man. We up out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.